It's 4 in the morning and we're up in the middle of the night because today is National Dawn Chorus Day. So we're going to get up, go out to our local RSPB reserve and listen to the birds sing. And I'm just getting all the layers on because I think it's going to be cold. What an adventure. I don't know if you can hear, but this is just outside my front door. It's now about 4:45 and the birds are already singing. It's going to be amazing in the actual woods. My new book, Twitch, is about a boy who loves birds, and dawn is his favourite time of day. So, to celebrate Dawn Chorus Day, I thought I would bring my book to the nature reserve at dawn and read a small excerpt whilst listening to the dawn chorus. Once in the kitchen, Twitch made himself a bowl of cereal, opened the back door and sat on the doorstep to eat it. The air was moist, but he could tell it was going to be another sunny day. A blackbird called, and a moment later, the territorial recitative of a robin answered. He closed his eyes as birds hidden in treetops and shrubberies began their piweeting and cooing, tweeting and hooting. He recognized the distinctive trill of a wren, then a warbler. He had learned to listen to birdsong, memorizing their calls, and loved being able to identify which birds were around him, even when he couldn't see them. It made him feel a part of the avian world. As their arias became a chorus, tremolos and trills blending and crescendoing, the sun was summoned from its slumber to rise into the sky again.